Nestled high above the Snake River Valley, Camp Teton is a breathtaking retreat that embraces the rugged beauty of Wyoming. Designed as a four-building sanctuary, it offers an unparalleled front-row view of the iconic Grand Teton. Every element of this retreat harmonizes with nature, blending into the landscape with an aesthetic that celebrates transience, imperfection, and timeless craftsmanship. The vision behind Camp Teton was clear: to create structures that feel like an organic extension of the land. Inspired by the dramatic surroundings, the architects embraced a design philosophy that respects nature's raw beauty. The materials, textures, and forms all reflect the rugged, ever-changing environment of the Teton Range, making the retreat both grounding and awe-inspiring. At the heart of Camp Teton's design is rammed earth, a construction method that embodies endurance and simplicity. By compacting a mix of sand, gravel, and clay, the walls take on a monolithic presence, blending seamlessly with the landscape. The muted tones mirror the rocky terrain, creating a structure that is both protective and welcoming, standing as a testament to sustainable, time-honored craftsmanship. Complementing the earthen walls are reclaimed timbers and exposed steel elements, adding both warmth and structure. The weathered wood tells a story of time and use, embracing imperfections as part of its charm. Structural steel beams contrast with the organic materials, offering strength while allowing the spaces to remain open, fluid, and deeply connected to the wild landscape beyond. Transparency is key to the experience at Camp Teton. Expansive glass openings dissolve the boundary between indoors and out, framing ever-changing views of the Teton Range. Each space is designed to invite the outside in, whether through retractable doors, covered walkways, or outdoor living areas that extend seamlessly from the main structures into the vast Wyoming wilderness. Inside, the retreat feels intimate and grounded. Wood paneling, natural stone, and earthen hues create a calming atmosphere that mirrors the rugged landscape beyond. Every element is thoughtfully chosen, not for perfection, but for authenticity. Where materials age gracefully, bearing marks of time and nature. This philosophy of imperfection is what makes the space feel truly alive. Camp Teton transforms with the seasons, embracing the shifting moods of the mountains. In winter, the structures stand resilient against the snow, their earthen walls absorbing the warmth of the sun. In summer, shaded patios and open-air walkways offer refuge from the heat. Each building is designed to respond naturally to the elements, ensuring comfort while remaining deeply connected to the environment. More than just a retreat, Camp Teton is an ode to nature's impermanence, a place where architecture and landscape exist in a delicate, ever-evolving balance. Its design embraces the beauty of natural materials, the wisdom of time-honored techniques, and the fleeting yet profound moments of mountain life. Here, imperfection is not just accepted, it is celebrated.